Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick video on following these gurus. A lot of it, these guys are professional traders. They've been trading for 10, 20 years. They're very good at what they do. They do offer a good service. Some of them offer a good service, letting new traders know the ins and outs, which thank God, because everyone's got to start somewhere, but a lot of it is smoke and mirrors. You got to watch out for these guys. Um, One I have a problem with in particular is Ross from Warrior Trading. Now, this isn't to bash him. He is an amazing trader. He's one of the best scalping traders that are out there. He's extremely good at what he does, but uh, his students get taught the wrong lessons. They get taught that you can turn $500 into 100 grand in a couple months. Is it possible? Yes. Is it going to happen for you? Probably not. There's a lot of skill involved with that style of trading. He loves to trade the open, which is a complete gamble. It's an educated gamble, but a gamble nonetheless. And as a new trader, you should be looking at high risk reward setups, the go tos, the easies. You want easy money. You don't need to be in a rush to make money with trading. If you're in a rush to make money, you will lose. At the beginning, you need to learn how to trade, not to make money. Because if money is all that's on your mind, you'll fail. Your head will get all fucked up. And following guys like this and their trades and their style, it's going to lead to nothing but failure. You'll blow up your account. Um, uh, One of the examples I have of Ross's trades, it was on this trade right here, January 31st on RGSE. I remember seeing this gapping up, and I believe I shorted it. I'd have to go back. I'm sure I did, because every time this RGSE pops, where it gaps open, it gives back all of its gains damn near 100% of the time. If you look at the chart, it's a complete beaten down piece of garbage that's been reverse split a bunch of times. It's a piece of garbage on its way to bankruptcy. It'll end up on the OTC markets here soon enough. Um, so seeing this and him playing it, he played it right at the open, and I wish I could pull up an intraday chart of this to show that it instantly dumped. As soon as the bell went, it dumped immediately. It had this little tiny spike up, which is probably just some scared shorts covering or chasers, and then it fucking dumped. And I'll pull up some of the comments that were left on his YouTube feed to show what happens to new traders when they follow alerts. Right here, we got one. I had my biggest loss today, $8,000, about 50 to 60% of my account that I have been building slowly from 5K. That's fucking brutal, man. This guy's head is definitely all fucked up. It's probably still fucked up, and that was in January. That's a big loss for anyone. Um, and that's what happens. He teaches the wrong lessons. He teaches scout moves, and scout moves are taking big position sizes for that quick gain, and it works for some, but that's a strategy that's not meant for everyone. We'll pull up another one here. Uh, okay, don't feel so bad. I practically blew up my small paper account in the same exact RGSE move. Okay, it's a paper account, but nonetheless, it doesn't matter. This could have very easily been a new trader's entire account, putting 100% faith in him, and would have fucking blown it up. And we got one more here. I was in at 6 with 1,400 shares. I held way too long and held overnight. Should I sell tomorrow and take the loss, or just continue to hold? Right now, I'm in the red, $2,850. And I wish I would have clipped out the bottom of this. He didn't have a reply from Ross. This is probably one of his students, someone that pays money, and he didn't respond. I mean, this guy doesn't even know what he should do. Of course, just take the fucking loss, get it done with. This piece of garbage chart right here isn't going to come back. He's going to hold it and hold it and hold and hope is not a fucking strategy, right? But my main thing is there's certain rules in trading, and probably the number one is don't be in a rush. This isn't a get quick rich scheme by any stretch of the imagination. And new traders, it's hard because I'd say probably 95% of all new traders out there, they just follow the guru with the biggest money in the shortest amount type gains, and they end up getting fucked. And you'll blow up your account each and every time. Slow and steady with trading. You need to learn to trade for skill first before you can actually learn how to trade. You need to take small position sizes for months. It can take months before you really know kind of what you're doing. And even as you go, each day in the market, you learn. The day before, you didn't know fuck all. There is so much to trading, little nuances, little pieces of information that click more and more each day. So you can't be in a rush. That's all I really have to say. Again, it's not so much to bash Ross himself. He's a great trader, but it's bashing how he teaches these new traders. The risk reward is way skewed. It's completely wrong. It is a wrong way to learn. You need to be patient. Patience is key. There's a famous quote by Warren Buffett. The market is a device that takes money from the impatient and gives to the patient. And those are words to live by. Patience is key. Again, I hope this helps a little bit. And I wish I could just shake every new trader out there not to follow these gurus. You got to trade for yourself. You got to take every little bits of information from all of them, and you'll be much better off. Read Ross's day trading book, his free day trading book. There's tons of great setups in there. He teaches a lot of really good information, but to follow his picks, very wrong. You'll end up in the gutter. You'll blow up your account. But I hope this helps a few of you out there. I wish I had more time. I could talk for hours about these gurus out there just taking money from people. But again, patience. You need to be patient. Again, thanks a lot.